Welcome to the enchanting world of Hyderabadi chicken biryani. This dish is not just food, it's a culinary symphony. Imagine fragrant basmati rice. Picture succulent marinated chicken. Add layers of caramelized onions, saffron, and spices. The aroma itself is a siren song. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will tantalize your taste buds. This is a journey for those who dare to conquer the art of this iconic dish. Let's begin, shall we? Every masterpiece needs the right tools. For this biryani, we need a bounty of fresh ingredients. Imagine plump chicken thighs begging to be marinated. Picture vibrant green chilies adding their fiery kick. Envision mounds of fragrant basmati rice, ready to soak up the flavors. And don't forget the spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, a symphony of aromas waiting to be unleashed. Gather your ingredients and let's create magic. Marination is where the magic begins. This step infuses the chicken with incredible depth. We'll use a blend of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices. The yogurt tenderizes the chicken. The spices awaken the palate. Rub this aromatic mixture onto the chicken. Let it rest. This allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat. Patience is key here. We're building a symphony of flavors, one note at a time. Now let's talk rice. Basmati rice is the star. We need it light and fluffy, each grain separate. First, rinse the rice. This removes excess starch. Then soak it in water. This ensures even cooking. Next, boil water with salt, bay leaves, and cardamom pods. Add the rice. Let it simmer. The rice should be cooked al dente. It will finish cooking later in the biryani. Section 5. Golden onions and fragrant spices. Cooking the chicken to tender perfection. Time to cook the chicken. Heat oil in a large pot. Add sliced onions. Fry them until golden brown and crispy. This is our flavor base. Now add the marinated chicken. Let it sizzle and brown. Then add our spice blend. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, and more. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Cook until the chicken is tender and the flavors meld. Section 6. The layered symphony. Assembling the biryani for its aromatic journey. This is the moment where all our preparation and hard work come together to create a dish that is not just food, but an experience. The aroma, the colors, and the textures all play a part in this culinary masterpiece. We're ready to layer our biryani. This is the stage where the magic happens. Each layer is carefully crafted to ensure that every bite is a burst of flavor. The layering process is crucial as it allows the flavors to meld together, creating a harmonious blend. This is where it all comes together. The first layer is the foundation of our biryani. It sets the stage for the layers to come. The rice is cooked to perfection, each grain separate yet tender. In a large pot, spread a layer of cooked rice. This layer acts as a bed for the other ingredients, absorbing the flavors from the chicken and spices. Top it with a layer of the chicken and its flavorful gravy. The chicken, marinated and cooked with a blend of spices, adds depth and richness to the biryani. The gravy seeps into the rice, infusing it with its robust flavors. Sprinkle fried onions, fresh coriander, and mint. These ingredients not only add a burst of freshness, but also a delightful crunch and vibrant color to the dish. Repeat the layers, creating a beautiful tapestry of flavors. Each layer builds upon the previous one, adding complexity and depth to the biryani. The alternating layers of rice and chicken ensure that every bite is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Finally, drizzle saffron-infused milk on top. The saffron, with its distinct aroma and golden hue, elevates the biryani to a whole new level. It adds a touch of luxury and a beautiful golden hue. The saffron not only enhances the visual appeal of the biryani, but also imparts a subtle yet distinct flavor that ties all the elements together. And there you have it, a beautifully assembled biryani, ready to be enjoyed. Each layer, each ingredient playing its part in this aromatic journey. Section 7. The Dums embrace. Slow cooking magic for an unforgettable biryani. Now the magic of dum. Seal the pot tightly with a lid and dough. This traps the steam inside, allowing the flavors to meld and intensify. Cook on low heat. The biryani will steam in its own juices, creating an explosion of aromas. This slow cooking process is the heart and soul of Hyderabadi biryani. Be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Section 8. Unveiling the aromatic treasure. Serving and savoring Hyderabadi biryani. The moment of truth. Carefully open the pot. The aroma will hit you like a warm embrace. Gently fluff the rice, releasing the fragrant steam. Serve the biryani hot. Garnish with more fried onions, fresh coriander, and a squeeze of lemon. Pair it with raita, a cooling yogurt dip. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a testament to your culinary prowess. Section 9. Mastering the art tips and tricks for biryani perfection. Here are some secrets for biryani mastery. Biryani, a dish that has won hearts across the globe, is an intricate blend of flavors and textures. To achieve perfection, one must pay attention to every detail, from the choice of ingredients to the cooking techniques. Use good quality basmati rice for that fluffy texture. The rice is the foundation of your biryani, and its quality can make or break the dish. Don't overcook the rice. It should be cooked to about 70% doneness before layering. This ensures that the grains remain separate and fluffy after the final cooking. It should be al dente. This means the rice should be firm to the bite, not mushy. Testing the rice for doneness is crucial. A single overcooked grain can affect the entire dish. Fry the onions until golden brown for added depth of flavor. The caramelized onions, known as birista, add a sweet and savory depth to the biryani. Make sure to fry them slowly over medium heat to achieve that perfect golden brown color without burning them. Marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours. The marination process is essential for infusing the meat with flavors. Use a mixture of yogurt, spices, and herbs to tenderize the chicken and enhance its taste. The longer you marinate, the more flavorful your biryani will be. Seal the pot tightly for the dum cooking. Dum cooking is a traditional method where the pot is sealed with dough to trap the steam. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, resulting in a rich and aromatic biryani. And most importantly, cook with love and patience. Biryani is not a dish to be rushed. Take your time to layer the ingredients carefully, ensuring each layer is seasoned well. Cooking with love and patience will reflect in the final dish. Biryani is a labor of love, and the results are worth it. When you finally unveil your masterpiece, the aroma and flavors will be a testament to your dedication and effort. Enjoy the process and savor every bite of your perfect biryani. Section 10. A Culinary Legacy, the enduring allure of Hyderabadi chicken biryani. This dish is not just a meal, it's a journey through time, a story told through flavors and aromas that have been perfected over centuries. Congratulations! You've embarked on a culinary adventure and conquered the art of Hyderabadi chicken biryani. This isn't just about following a recipe, it's about embracing a tradition that has been cherished and celebrated in countless homes. This dish is more than just a recipe. It's a symphony of spices, a dance of flavors that come together to create something truly magical. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, from the tender chicken to the fragrant basmati rice, and the rich blend of spices that give it its unique character. It's a legacy passed down through generations, a celebration of flavor, and a testament to the power of slow cooking. Imagine the countless hands that have perfected this dish, each adding their own touch, their own love, to create the perfect biryani. The slow cooking process is essential, allowing the flavors to meld together, creating a depth and richness that is unparalleled. The steam rising from the pot is a promise of the deliciousness to come, a tantalizing preview of the feast that awaits. So, gather your loved ones, share this aromatic masterpiece, and relish the experience. Biryani is best enjoyed in the company of family and friends, where each bite is a shared moment of joy and satisfaction. Remember, the best biryani is made with love and a passion for culinary excellence. It's the care and attention to detail that make each bite a delight, a testament to the cook's dedication and skill. And as you present your dish, take pride in what you've created. This is more than just food. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a gift to those you share it with. Bon appétit!